Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Explorer, guys, from year 2017 to currently year 2022. If you need to remove or replace key fob battery, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that step by step, guys. The fun fact about that key has been used on multiple Ford products such as Ford Mustang, Explorer, Edge, F-150 even, guys. So we'll be demonstrating on that key. Many of you requested that video, so that's why we're making it. We'll explain what you need to do to make sure that you don't damage the key when you're replacing the key fob battery. And actually the key, guys, is out of the Mustang, but it will be the same, only the logo is different on the back side. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why? Because our mission as a shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy batteries, tools, parts, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So this is, guys, the key, okay, right here, you can see. Now, on the Explorer, it will be identical key. The only difference that you may have, okay, depending on the options, you may not have these two buttons on the bottom, or if you have, the button for the lift gate will be just different, okay, different design of a vehicle on the back side. Now, what you need to do, right here, you need to press down and remove the key, okay. Next, you're going to get, okay, right here underneath there is an open space. You can get a plastic prank to go sideways a little bit, and when you do that, you're going to come in an angle, okay, pry, it comes out. Clean all the dust here around the seal and the cap where everything will go together later, so it can seal correctly and water will not get in, guys, or humidity. So there is a small notch where you can get a small screwdriver in. Do not push all the way in because you will damage your circuit board on the bottom. So gently pry it out, okay, just like that. Next, what you need to do, you get a new battery. If you need to buy one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Push it down, okay, align everything here correctly, and don't forget to push the key in. You're ready to go. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.